guys, today I'm going to do a Louis Vuitton review on Petit Plat. I just love this bag. I needed a cute black bag that was small that I can carry as a handbag, and this is how the bag looks. Isn't she gorgeous? I just love the little gold detailing on the handle. Turn it around so you can see. It also came with a strap, but I don't wear the strap. I wear it as a handbag. This is a perfect bag to wear when you're going out on a date, or you having date night with bae, or you going to parties or different events. Next, I'm going to show what's inside of my bag. I have an iPhone. I have some mints. I have my Louis Vuitton wallet. As you can see, it matches the bag. I have some perfume. You never know when you have to freshen up. I have a mirror right here. What else I have in here? I have an Apple Watch. Let me see, what else do I have in here? Oh, that was it. That was inside of the bag. The only thing that I dislike about this bag, I wish it had a zipper so you can close the bag. But other than that, this bag is perfect. I just love this bag. On a scale of 1 out of 10, I definitely give it a 10 because I needed a small bag that I can carry as a handbag. I want you to let me know what you think about this bag in the comments. And I hope you ladies and gentlemen have an awesome day.